Hey. Anyway, today I'm making a video now. Let's get on to the video. Duh. Let's get into the story. So, Gina, let me guess. No appointment? Yep, I gotta go, by the way. Bye. Hi. Then this girl walked up to me. Hi. You're, Julia? Yep, Julia. Why? Well, you see, I did new stuff for the school. You're that bird girl nobody likes, right? You're that bird girl who doesn't belong here. Wait, what? You know, you're that bird girl who nobody likes and everyone thinks shouldn't belong here. You know, it was Rosaline. It was Rosie's idea. Who's Rosie? You know Rosaline Parker's? That blonde girl who won a lot of prom queens? Yeah. I wrote about it in the school news. Well, are you? Get out of here. Oh, wait, you didn't answer my question. I'm back, sorry. My brother was holding me up. And my sister had to have me take her to the music store to get a new microphone. So she broke her toy one. So she made me get her a real one. Oh my god, that stinks. She said that, she asked me if I was the bird girl nobody liked. Seriously? Seriously? That's crazy. That's crazy talk. Mom, let's go. I'm not... So anyway. You're wearing the crown. Ow, that hurt. You're wearing the crown's falling off your head. You have the crown. You have the crown. And it's beautiful. The crown that has been taken every year by this blonde brat. No, she won it fair and square. Really? She won it fair and square? I most likely doubt that aliens voted for her before I believe that she played fair and square. She is mean and rude. Well, she still won anyway. So, teacher, can I have a homework pass? No. Get off. Sorry it was so short, but stay tuned, stay sweet, stay happy, you're awesome. Click that red subscribe button. Bye! Dun, 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 dun.